Welcome to another XOXO Notes tutorial. How to use the love note generator to generate personalized love notes. Our love note generator offers a range of features designed to make each message feel personal, heartfelt, and memorable. Here's a closer look at how to craft the perfect love note. Select your preferred romantic charm index. The romantic charm index sets the tone for the love notes you receive. By selecting an index, you're guiding the level of sentiment and allure in the messages. Click on Localization to edit the love note language and region settings. Fill in the fields you want to influence and leave the others blank. Now it's time to provide a couple details about your relationship. By adding details about your relationship, you can add a personal touch and create meaningful love notes with ease. Remember, you do not have to fill out all the fields, but the more details you add, the more personal your love notes will become. Click on a question to open the tooltip. The tooltips of each field contain helpful tips and inspiration. You can move the tooltip around using drag and drop. Click the Generate Love Notes button to create your personalized love notes. Delete any notes you don't want to use. You can also edit the love notes and adapt them however you like. And when you are done editing, click the Save Notes button to save the notes in your account. XOXO Notes. Strengthen your connection, one love note at a time.